Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. So this is video 2 of factoring. I forgot we had some a values of greater than 1, so I want to make sure that I give you an example of that as well. We're going to look at number 5, 7x squared minus 31x minus 20. I'm going to go ahead and do the x method. When I'm doing this x method, I know the top is a times c and the bottom is b. In this instance, my a is 7 and my c is negative 20. 7 times negative 20 is negative 140. The top pocket is multiplication. The bottom pocket is addition. My b value in this instance is negative 31. I skipped ahead. I apologize, I forgot. A is equal to 7. B is equal to negative 31. And c is equal to negative 20. Again, I'll walk through it one more time. I found my a was equal to 7, my c was equal to negative 20. 7 times negative 20 is negative 140. I need something that multiplies to that. My b is negative 31, so I put it down here. I need something that adds to that. Start looking at my factors of 140, 1 and 140, 2 and 70, 3 doesn't go in evenly, 4 and 35. That we can use to find negative 31. Negative 35 and positive 4. Now, since the a value is greater than 1, that means I have to spread out my terms into 4 terms. 7x squared minus 35x plus 4x minus 20. I'll take a pause. Make sure you have this written down. Good. Now we're going to move on. When I have these 4 terms, I'm going to group them into 2 different groups. So I have my 7x squared and my 35x. Out of that, I could take out a 7x and end up with x minus 5. And for this one, I have my 4x and my negative 20. I could take out a 4. When I'm taking this out, you guys, I'm really dividing this entire thing by something. In this instance, I'm dividing this entire thing by 7x. And this whole thing, I want to divide something that goes into 4x and 20 is 4. So I take out my 4. This ends up as an x. Negative 20 divided by 4 ends up with a negative 5. In this step, this is when I know I did this correct because my 2 parentheticals are the same. And then I end up with 7x plus 4 and x minus 5. So there was an example of a is greater than 1. Now you can go ahead and work on the rest of your factoring.